Well, it's cool out here. This is a real nice view I'm about to show you. These are views along Wyoming US 212, about 80 miles before getting to Yellowstone National Park. Thunder. So beautiful. Here's another overlook, about a quarter mile from the last one. There was a sign that said point of interest. I suppose it's talking about this right here. That looks like that will be fun actually to climb up. Here's another spectacular view. Well, getting some rain. I see a lot of signs saying bear aware. Very windy out here. I'm looking directly in front of me, and about a mile back, I thought what I was looking at were like just some curvature in the clouds, but those are mountains. I'm not talking about what you see right here in the foreground, but in the background, those mountains are massive. I mean, they're up there. Going through a small town. Back over to my left, there was a saloon, the Crazy Woman Saloon. past hour, the temperature has really dropped. It's down to 54 degrees right now. Over to my left is a very large lake. I hope there's a place where I can pull off and take a look at that. It's beautiful. Not a whole lot of people out today. And the weather has really cleared up pretty good. On this road trip, I packed for hot weather, warm weather, cold weather, and freezing weather. So I have clothing for everything. I met two motorcyclists, nice guys, on one of the overlooks about 5 miles back, and they complimented me on my Jeep. One of them said that he owns a Jeep Wrangler. He says it looks tough, but he would never take it off the road. I said, why? He said because he didn't want to beat it up. I get it, and I 100% agree. It is raining out, but it's light rain. This road that leads into Yellowstone National Park, I'm about maybe 50 miles from the park, but it's beautiful. There are so many places you can stop to catch some beautiful views. And when I see them,